how to watch Netflix with friends using Teleparty. So if you want to watch Netflix with friends using Teleparty, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening any web browser, now you need to search for Teleparty. Then click on the Chrome extension section, which is right here. Netflix Party is now Teleparty. You need to just click on it. Okay, you want to click on Add to Chrome, which will be on the right side. After that, you need to click on Add Extension. Now the extension will be downloaded. After it has been downloaded, you want to sign up into your account, enter your email or password, and sign up using your Google to your Teleparty. Just wait for a few seconds till it downloads and it has been added. Now you need to go with your extensions and click on the extension right here and then sign up. Go and allow and click on Netflix. You need to pick a service to start watching with friends and family or just give it a try. So just click on Netflix. And once you click on Netflix, it will take you to the Netflix section. You need to go and sign into your Netflix and then go and select any video that you would like to watch. The Teleparty button should appear and you'll be able to automatically join. You can enjoy perfectly synchronizing HD, playback, and a sidebar chat for real-time comments and reactions. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.